Happy Halloween! 欢迎来到东厨房 Welcome to Asian Delight's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you on how I created my version of 女巫汤 Witch Brew. It is inspired by a Chinese TV drama show called Dating in the Kitchen. It is such a good show. I am so addicted to it. These are the ingredients I used in this video. Let's get started. I would recommend using a plastic cutting board when you dice the beetroot. It was a disaster and bloody scene when I did mine. If you happen to leave a stain on your cutting board, you may use baking soda and that can help remove the stain. My family are meat lovers. Adding the beef will bring flavor to the soup. I put the dried herb into a herbal cooking bag, that way we won't bite into them. It also prevents burning on the bottom of the pot. Saute all these ingredients until they change color. Then add in 4 cups of water. Cook for 5 minutes. Add in the tomato. Bring to a boil. Turn to low heat. Simmer 30 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, cook the spaghetti according to the package instruction. If you believe the wall spaghetti test, it would be fun to do. Just throw a spaghetti to the wall. If it sticks to the wall, that means it's done. I feel seafood would match the soup very well. Saute the scallops on each side until they change the color. I picked some of the smaller one into the soup for extra flavor, and save the rest for serving. I bought this black salt from a spice shop when I visited Seattle. It was surprised how it added extra umami flavor to the soup. For better presentation, I wrote a small amount of spaghetti on the plates on each side, then add in all the ingredients from the pot and the broth at the end. I hope you like this recipe. Make it at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. Be sure to check the description box for a more detailed and tips about this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.